gonna take you guys to the secret pools in Laguna Beach. So there's one pool right over there. I think they're like man-made, and then there's another one over there, but the owner of that house now doesn't let you go in that one. He like chills there and kicks people out because it's his property, I guess. But last year and every year before that, no one ever cared. I guess all of a sudden he wants to kick people out now, except this one. This one belongs to that house. Bend your knees. I've been here a couple of times, but I brought a floaty this time so I can actually chill. This is such a sick spot. Like, there's a cave over there. There's a cave right there you can chill in. A lot of people don't post this spot on video or anything. I feel like the locals don't want people to know where it's at. But I'm here to tell you where it's at. 10,000 Steps Beach. And you guys saw which way I went, down the stairs to the left. I wanted to bring my skateboard and like do a kickflip right there and take a photo with the ocean in the background. That'd be sick. I'll show you guys the whole thing. It's like they built all this. Look at this. So sick. There's people over there just watching, wondering how to get here. It's simple. Just gotta go around the rocks. Just gotta find the right path. So I gotta watch out for this guy. This guy gets mad. He's probably like 26 too. He was chilling here last time, kicking people out. There's so much people just chilling here in that pool. No way. There's no water in here? That's the first time I've ever seen it like this. That's crazy. Usually the water just splashes from there in here. And it's like a huge pool. This one's a lot deeper. This one looks like, I don't know, about 5 feet deep to where like the water goes. You can see like the white line. I guess the tide just isn't strong enough. I don't know how all this water just disappeared though. There's always water in here. Yeah, you can only come here, I want to say during January through April, because then after that the tide is high. You can't go through the cave where we went through because the water's too high and the lifeguards block it off. But yeah, let's get in the water. Oh, those dudes are going the wrong way.
A lot of
they're about to die. That's big too.
there was
registration proof insurance, please.
Yes.
So David, the reason why I pulled you over because of your loud exhaust.
Okay.
Why does it sound so loud?
It's just...
Did you do a muffler delete?
No muffler delete.
What did you do to it then?
It's just a catback exhaust.
Catback exhaust?
Yeah.
Okay, did you do anything up past the catback?
No, just the catback exhaust. That's
Okay.
pretty much it.
You're missing your hood.
I know the hood I had cracked, so I'm waiting for a new one to come in.
Okay, so on your vehicle, where's the numbers to your intakes?
The sticker?
Yeah.
I don't have the sticker on there.
Okay, you're required to have that.
Oh, okay.
Because what you did is you changed all that, and that affects the emissions of the vehicle.
Okay.
And then you got filters coming off the block there too.
Oh, the little things.
Yeah. Why'd you put those on there?
Those are just so the motor breathes better. It's for the oil, yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty much all it is.
Did you do most of the work yourself, or did you have it done?
I had it done at a shop.
You had it done?
Yeah.
So explain to me this. Why didn't you change this? Would you like me to come out? Yeah, come on. Okay. Why did you change this?
Oh, he's getting the whole thing out. It's a decimal reader.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the vehicle on. Make sure you have it neutral.
Okay.
Emergency brake on. Go ahead and start it. So I'm gonna have you bring it up to 3,500 RPMs. I'm gonna have you hold it, and then I'm gonna have you let off of it, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and bring it up to 3.5.
Okay.
Go ahead and shut it off. You're at 106.2 decibels.
Okay.
Okay, legal limit is 95.
95?
Yeah.
Okay.
So your catback mod
Yeah.
has boosted that up, okay?
Okay.
All right, hang tight.
Oh, bro. I just paid off 4 tickets last week. Well, I got another state ref. Man, it's getting rough out here. I didn't explain after that because I was on my way to work and I was already late. But yeah, I was pretty much just cruising to work. I made a right at a light. The cop was chilling there on the side. He had a guy pulled over with another cop, and I made a right and I cruised by going really slow. My RPMs were at like 2,000 RPMs. I was going like 20 miles an hour because I just turned off that light. He was like right there, so I was going really slow. I kept going slow, and then like a mile later, I see him behind me and I'm like, damn, he's gonna pull me over. And I already knew that if I switch lanes, he's gonna light me up because they always do that. And I had to switch lanes because it was merging, so I switched lanes to the left, boom, lit me up right away, and I was like, I knew it, whatever. But yeah, he pretty much pulled me over. He got me, same as last time I got state refed in December 19th. Literally like, what, 3 months ago? For no front plate, my exhaust, and intakes. And about the last ticket, so you guys saw my video on the whole process of what I did to get that signed off and everything. They sent me back a paper saying they denied it, that they will not accept it, that it has to be signed off by a state referee, sheriff, or something like that. I sent them my 75 bucks because they charged you 25 bucks for each violation, whatever. They didn't send me my 75 bucks back, they just kept it. So I'm gonna call the courthouse today and see what's up with that and make a Zoom call with the judge and go from there and see what's up with the last state ref ticket. But now I have 2 state ref tickets on file, which is really scary, and it sucks because they're pretty stressful to deal with, honestly. But it was pretty funny because when the cop pulled me out of the car and wanted to ask me questions about everything, he was literally like standing here just like looking at the car, and like he grabbed my intakes and like moved them around. It seemed like he didn't know if they were real, like if they were cold air intakes or if these were stock, because they kind of look stock because they're wrinkled black. So he was kind of just like shaking them. I'm like, what is he doing? He's like, what's that? And I was like, oh, that's just my fuel pressure regulator. It just tells me what my fuel pressure is because I was having fuel pressure issues. So I have a gauge inside my car. He's like, okay. And then he was like, what's this? What's this wire here? And I was like, oh, this goes to my sub in the back, and all these wires go to my air suspension. I was like, you want to see? He's like, no. And I was like, all right. And then, so he comes around over here, and then he sees my boost controller solenoid, and he's like, turbo smart. What's that? And I was like, shoot, I was like, what did I say, what did I say, what did I say? And then I didn't really say nothing. And then he was like, does that go with the fuel pressure regulator? And I was like, no. I was like, this is just something I had a long time ago. I just haven't taken it off because there's a lot of wires going to the dash and it's a lot of work to take it off. He was like, okay. And then this is what he was asking about, these little filters on the side. And I was like, it's just for the motor so it breathes better. It's for the oil, which makes no sense. But obviously they don't know, you know. Like, I can bullshit them so much. It's kind of funny to me because they look at your car acting like they know what they're looking at, you know? And then, like, all they ever really know is intakes and exhaust. That's all they know. And then maybe if they see, like, a little filter like this, I'm surprised he even knew that there were supposed to be hoses there connected. The last ticket was $691 if you just want to pay it off, but that stays on your record. And I'm sure this one is either going to be the same or double. I'm not sure. I heard that the second time it's double, but I mean, we'll find out pretty soon once they send the ticket in the mail. Usually it takes 2 months with a state ref ticket. And no, he didn't pull me over because he saw that I didn't have a hood. I literally passed him and I was looking at both cops. I was like, please don't look, please don't look. And I passed by him and he did not see that I didn't have a hood. He didn't even notice until he like walked up to my car that I didn't have one. You can drive without a hood. Obviously in California, it's not illegal, but I mean, it's just exposed, you know? So you're pretty much just setting yourself up, but I'm just waiting on another hood. whatever, you know, I'm building this because this is what I like, and makes me happy. And well, it's just what we have to deal with out here in California. He was like looking at my motor dyne exhaust back there, like he was like really looking at it. He was like, motor dyne, like he was saying all the names, and then he was taking photos of it, everything, and then writing everything down, like the names of them. Pretty sure he's gonna go home and start Googling every single thing and start doing research on them. That way, like if we have to go to court, like he has proof of everything and acts like he knows what he's looking at. But all right guys, well, I'm gonna end it here with this beautiful ticket here. So I'll see you guys later.